As one of the owners of the largest military power in the world, Russia is equipped with various sophisticated weapons for its land, sea and air dimensions. One of Russia's advanced defense equipment is the aircraft carrier. In the modern military world, aircraft carriers have an important role. Apart from being a stopover for aircraft carriers also have a central function for a country's naval operations. Therefore, it is important for a country to update its weapons system to maintain defense and security. This photo taken by a Norwegian surveillance plane shows the Russian aircraft carrier, Admiral Kuznetsov, sailing in international waters not far from the coast of Norway. Reuters Independent. The only aircraft carrier currently operated by Russia is the Admiral Kuznetsov aircraft carrier, which can only accommodate around 30 aircraft. However, this aircraft carrier is more than 30 years old and is no longer suitable for use. This is very different from its rival, namely the United States, which has dozens of aircraft carriers. Russia is paying attention to this condition, which is building a new aircraft carrier. The plan is that the ship will become the world's largest aircraft carrier. Hence, the importance of updating aircraft carriers with more modern features. This condition is compounded by the unstable world geopolitical situation. Reporting from Russia beyond the horizon, this ship will be similar to the United States transport ship, USS Gerald R. Ford, which is an aircraft carrier with a supercarrier classification weighing more than 70,000 tons. The construction of this aircraft carrier costs around $1.8 billion, around Rp 23 trillion to $5.63 billion, around Rp 72 trillion, and its development will take around 10 years. The plan is that the Storm aircraft carrier will be included in the country's weapons program for the period 2019 to 2025. The ship will enter naval service in 2030 and is at the Severomorsk base 1,880 kilometers north of Moscow. The Storm will have a completely open deck, in contrast to the artillery-protected Admiral Kuznetsov. This ship will be guided and protected like all 19 American aircraft carriers with a complete squadron of warships and submarines. Fully, Storm becomes a floating airport that can accommodate a squadron of aircraft. The takeoff deck will be 14 kilometers wide, or 3 times the size of a football field. The deck will have 4 lanes of different lengths, as well as a combined launching system, namely springboard and springboard catapulting. What is unique about this aircraft carrier is that it can accommodate up to 100 fighter jets and bombers. Because Storm will not have its own weapons system, it will be guarded by 10 ships of different types, namely frigates, destroyers, cruisers and submarines. In addition, Storm will be equipped with 2 RITM-200 nuclear engines that help it cruise at a speed of 30 knots around 55 kilometers per hour. The weight of the ship will be around 100,000 tons and its draft will be 11 meters. To support performance, this ship will accommodate around 4,000 crew members. Admiral Kuznetsov is the only aircraft carrier of the Russian Navy. These Project 11,435 aircraft-carrying cruisers are designed to ensure continuity of combat, deliver airstrikes and support troop landing operations. The warship entered service in 1990. It weighs 58,000 tons and is 304.5 meters long. Admiral Kuznetsov has a full speed capacity of 200,000 horsepower and develops a speed of up to 30 knots. In addition to the Air Task Force consisting of 24 to 26 fighter jets and 12 helicopters, Admiral Kuznetsov is armed with a P-700 Granite anti-ship missile system and the 3K-95 Kaitsa air defense or surface-to-air missile system. The ship, whose full name is Admiral Sovetskogo Soyuza Kuznetsov, is equipped with a ski jump and 2 aircraft elevators.